We interrupt your scheduled Cats with Cucumbers video to bring you this special report. This is an Earth 2017 special report. Stay tuned. Dramatic footage continues to pour out of Texas today, each one more spectacular than the last. Hello everyone, I'm Marc the Arcturian. Unprecedented Hurricane Harvey, the largest storm ever to touch down in the Gulf of Mexico. Winds, as you can see, up to 150 miles per hour. Over 4 feet of water in 2 days. And he's not done yet. Grab your life jacket and let's go a few blocks inland, where even the trees are having a hard time hanging on. Hey, what happened to the town? Hey, the lights are on. But is anyone home? Oh, the lights are off. From a different angle, here's why. Witness the death of a transformer. Downed power lines, standing water, and rain is a perfect recipe. Oh, they're on. And that's all she wrote. With winds over 150 miles an hour, it's strong enough to lift this car. And if you're out standing in it, you don't have a chance.
Oh my God!
Stay tuned. Okay, the wind didn't lift the car, but it's about to lift this house. And this house without a roof, I'm afraid, is way over your head. I'll huff and puff and I'll blow your house down. And this may be over your head in water. Inside or out, there's no escaping this thing. Hon, have you seen my wallet anywhere? We always wanted to sit in the living room and watch TV by the pool. And downtown, this water's going uptown. That's a lot of water. 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 That's a lot of water.
A lot of water. A lot of water. A lot of water.
That's what I thought you'd say. Where does the stream stop and the house start? Picnic? This wind is picking up anything not nailed down. Attention, Kmart shoppers! Blue light specials in all aisles. The corner of Main and Canal Streets. Is that one of those James Bond car boats? Sharknado, but Cownado? And if you've noticed, you're right. There is something fishy about this cliff. That's not Houston, that's China. This is downtown Houston. We do have a problem. Main Street is only accessible by boat, which begs the question, can you get a ticket for driving a boat the wrong way down a one-way street? Can you get pulled over for drunk driving a boat down Main Street? And if you're trying to get out of town, a boat may be your best bet. The freeway's toast.
Mark, this is really fascinating.
Row, row, row your boat all the way to work. Hey, do not enter. That sounds like good advice. I doubt he'll take it. Hon, have you seen my car keys anywhere? Come to think of it, have you seen my car anywhere? This is the new ride at Disneyland, the Hurricane Harvey kayak adventure. That's right out of San Andreas. And we don't know if he was ever heard from again. Stay tuned. That's all we have time for. It's time to evacuate the newsroom. I'm Marc the Arcturian. Stay dry. Thank God that can't happen here. Stay tuned.
This has been an Earth 2017 Special Report. I'm Marc the Arcturian. Doom and gloom is next over most of these stations.
I'd say it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.